Yo, what is up, guys? Serge here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could actually make money with Twitter and how you guys could actually use it with affiliate marketing. Before I get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button. How you guys can actually start making money with your Twitter account. And it's pretty easy that you guys can actually get started with this. I thought it was hard, but when I first got started, you can actually see my results right here. When I got started, as you can see, I have a lot of impressions and all that stuff. When I first got started, I actually followed this step by step to actually learn how to actually start doing Twitter, and I actually started making money off Twitter, and I actually got more clicks on Twitter than any other social media accounts out there besides my TikTok account. Free methods. For free method, this one actually worked the best, right? Because I thought Twitter was actually dead, but this actually proved me wrong. After I followed these steps, you know, I did everything on YouTube, look everything how you guys can actually start growing on Twitter, and I started actually doing this. All right, and if you guys follow this step by step, you guys can actually start seeing the same results as I did when I first got started. But if you guys want to follow my Twitter account, you guys can actually hit the link down below so you guys can actually start following it. I do tips on there and motivation and stuff like that. Also do giveaways on my Twitter account. So how you guys can actually start making money first with Twitter. So this is what I want you guys to do first before I give you the step by step on how you guys could actually grow your Twitter account. The first thing I want you guys to do is actually pick a niche. Okay, it could be any niche that you guys want to do. It could be making money online, it could be, you know, cooking, it could be barbering, it could be tech, it could be health and fitness. Whatever you guys can actually think of, my suggestion is whatever you guys are interested in learning about and what you guys are passionate about. If you guys already have a passion, you know, one of those two things that you guys can actually do, so you guys won't have to get bored of the subject that you guys are trying to get into, because you guys will be making content around this niche. The next thing I want you guys to do is actually pick a product. You know, do your research, go to Google and look off the best product for that niche, and it's pretty simple. Then see if there's some demand on that product, and then you guys can actually get started with that. The third thing I want you guys to do is actually start using a landing page. The reason why you guys want to use this landing page is to actually help you grow your email list, right? That is a bridge page for you to collect one piece of information, which is an email, so you guys can actually start promoting other products in the back end. Because most of the affiliate marketing gurus that you see, they don't make their money off the front, they make their money in the back end. The back end is where it's at, which is an email marketing. That's what you guys actually need to start doing so you guys could be successful with affiliate marketing. So start collecting emails right now. Don't wait, oh, I'm gonna do this later, I'm gonna do this. No, start doing it now, because your Twitter account, your TikTok account, whatever, it could all go away overnight. So what you guys want to do is actually start collecting that email once you guys get started. Those are the three things that you guys need to do before starting creating content and before doing all that stuff, so you guys can have everything ready to set up. Now on how you guys can actually start growing your Twitter account. So what you guys want to do is actually post up to 4 to 8 times a day. Okay, I did this for almost a month, and I started getting followers, like 24 followers each day. I know that's not a lot, but Twitter, that's a lot. Every single day, start posting. You know, and it has to go with your niche. What I actually did is actually started posting tips on how to start making money online, or how to start doing a side hustle. Right, I did one tip for side hustles, one tip for affiliate marketing, and then I did motivations. You know, so I basically split up all the stuff to actually line up with my niche, you know, making money online, which is, you know, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, whatever, side hustles, motivation to keep people motivated to continue being consistent and stuff like that. Then what I want you guys to do is actually do a thread. If you guys don't know what a thread is, it's basically, I have one right here so you guys can know how a thread is gonna be like. That's gonna be your longest content that you guys are actually gonna be doing, and your longest tweet that you guys are gonna be doing. All right. I put 6 tweets in one, so that's what you guys are actually gonna be sending out a tweet, and that's a thread, because those actually help you out to grow your Twitter account. When I did a thread, I actually did it every 2 days. A lot of people say do it once a week or twice a week. I actually did it every other day, okay, because I wanted to grow this account and I wanted to see if it works. So that's what I did. I did it every other day and started seeing results that way as well. And right now I actually started slowing it down and did it once a week, okay, but I did it every 2 days. So that's what I did. You guys can actually follow that step to actually help you grow faster. Then what I want you guys to do is actually go out there and comment and like post around your niche. All right, if you know something that someone did a thread on or a tweet on, I want you guys to leave a comment down below. I suggest to actually go for people that have 2,000 and up. That's what my suggestion is. You guys could actually do it 1,000 and up, but my suggestion is always 2,000 and up, and for you guys to get more exposure. And I want you guys to do this 30 times a day. I want you guys to comment every single day. All right, 30 times a day, and I want you guys, and you guys will actually see the results on this and actually help you out to grow. That's what I want you guys to do, and that's how you guys can actually grow your Twitter account. And trust me when I tell you, if you guys follow these easy steps to grow your Twitter, you guys will make money with affiliate marketing using your Twitter account. I had more leads on Twitter than I did for free than I did any other platforms like Instagram, YouTube. That's what you guys actually have to do to actually help you grow your Twitter account, and how you guys can actually start making money off your Twitter account. So you guys follow those easy steps on how you guys can actually make money with your Twitter account. You guys will not have to rely on your 9-to-5 anymore. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload the next video. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like